Champlain because their programs were awesome for what I wanted to do.
Yep.
And I love the location and the buildings. The dorms are awesome. It's not like a stone cubicle like most dorms are.
I chose Champlain because I liked it was a smaller school and it had the curriculum I wanted.
The dorms are really nice. They're actually, most of them are repurposed mansions, so the rooms are really nice. My room at least has a really good view ever since they put in the one next door, and there's landscaping, so also if you've ever had to fight with your parents over the thermostat, if you have your own room, you have complete and utter control over it.
I didn't look at many other schools, but I'm here and
How do you call
it's
these
awesome. I know, it's a house.